Welcome to my channel Mathematics Made Easy by Mary MJ. Today I am discussing CBSE Class 8 Chapter 3 Understanding Quadrilaterals. We are continuing the chapter. Last video we were discussing exercise 3.3. We are continuing with question number 3 onwards. Third question. Can a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram if angle D plus angle B is equal to 180? Can this quadrilateral be a parallelogram? So, if I am drawing a quadrilateral here, any quadrilateral, let this be ABCD. It is told that angle D plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. In a parallelogram, opposite angle will be equal. That is, angle D will be equal to angle B. And if that is equal to, sum is equal to 180 degree, that means that each angle should be 90 degree. So it becomes a square or a rectangle. So what can we write? It can be, but here what happens? But here it needs to be a square or rectangle. Now, what about the second sub question? Second question is AB is equal to DC is equal to 8 centimeter, AD is equal to 4 centimeter, and BC is equal to 4.4 centimeter. So, whether this can be a quadrilateral. So, given that AB is equal to DC, both lengths are same. Then AD is equal to 4 centimeter, BC is equal to 4.4 centimeter. Opposite side should also be same in the case of a parallelogram. So it cannot be a parallelogram. No, it is not a parallelogram because, what is the reason? Here AD is not equal to BC. Therefore, ABCD is not a parallelogram. Not a parallelogram. Now next one, third sub question. Angle A is equal to 70 degree and angle C is equal to 65 degree. Whether it is a parallelogram or not. A and C are opposite angles. In the case of a parallelogram, opposite angles should be same. So, if the angles are different, then it is not a parallelogram. Since angle A not equal to angle C, it is not a parallelogram. Now moving on to question number 4. Draw a rough figure. Draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram. That is not a parallelogram, but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measure. So, draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram. So, a figure which is not a parallelogram but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measure. So here these two sides are same and this angle is 110 degree, this angle also 110 degree. But this is not a parallelogram. Here these two sides are same, these two sides are same. Here this side is the same as this side and these two sides are same, it is a kite. So it is not a parallelogram because adjacent sides are equal here. Now next one, question number 5. The measures of two adjacent two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Find the measure of the angles of the parallelogram. In the case of a parallelogram, sum of two adjacent angles will be supplementary. That means here these are the ratio of the adjacent angles of a parallelogram. That means each angle will be, one angle can be written as 2x, the next angle can be written as first angle 3x, second angle 2x. Since they are adjacent angles, sum of those two adjacent angles will be supplementary. That means equal to 180. That means 5x equal to 180 or x equal to 180 divided by 5. 180 divided by 5 is 36 degree. So x equal to 36 degree means what will be each angle? So one angle is equal to 3x, that is equal to 3 into 36, which is equal to 108 degree, and other angle is 2x, that's equal to 2 into 36, which is equal to 72 degree. Now question number 6. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. So two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram sum will be 180. If one angle is x, the other angle also is x. So x plus x is equal to 180. That means 2x equal to 180 or x equal to 90 degree. Find the measure of each angles. So each angle is equal to 90 degree. Now question number 7. The adjacent figure HOPE is a parallelogram. Find the angle measures. Find the angle measures x, y and z. State the properties you use to find them. State the properties you use to find them. So here a parallelogram is given. This is the parallelogram. This is the diagonal, and this is HOPE. P and this is E. This angle is given as X, this is given as 70 degree, this is 40 degree and this is Z and this one is Y. We have to find out what is X, Y and Z. So we know that here already given this angle is 70. So how much will be this angle? Angle, this is linear pair. So angle HOP plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree in the bracket linear pair. Therefore, angle HOP is equal to 180 minus 70, which is equal to 110 degree. So this angle is 110. So opposite to that angle, that is X also will be 110 because opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal. Then since it is a parallelogram, here we got this angle as 110. Now these two are parallel. These two means HO is parallel to EP. These two lines are parallel, so that we can say that these two angles are alternate angles. That is PHE is the same as HPO. So angle PHE is equal to angle HPO. The reason is alternate angles. Alternate angles. So Y is equal to, how much is Y? Which will be same as angle PHE. So Y is equal to 40 degree. Then, so Y is equal to 40 degree. Then what about Z? How much will be the value of Z? We can find out Z. How can you find Z? This angle we got it as Y, we got it as 40. Now this is a triangle. HOP is a triangle. Sum of the two interior angles of a triangle will be equal to the exterior angle of the third angle. So these two sum will be equal to 70 degree. That is Z plus 40 is equal to 70, or Z is equal to 70 minus 40, that's equal to 30 degree. So Z is equal to 30 degree. Now next one, question number 8. The following figures GUNS and RUNS are parallelograms. Find X and Y. So two figures it is given here. First, both are parallelograms. This is the first figure. It is given as, this is GUN and S. GUN and S. And here this is given as 3y minus 1, this side as 3x, this is 2 is 26 and this is 18. And second figure, it is also a parallelogram and the name given is RUNS. RUNS, and diagonal, this is one diagonal, second diagonal, and this length is 20, this side is x plus y, and this is 16, and this side is y plus 7. This is the first question. This is the second one. Opposite sides of a parallelogram will be same. So 3y minus 1 is equal to 26, or 3y is equal to 26 plus 1, that is 27, or y is equal to 27 by 3, that is 9. Then here 3x is equal to 18, So x is equal to 18 by 3, that's equal to 6. So x equal to 6 and y equal to 9. Whereas in the second question, we can see that since a diagonal bisect each other in the case of a parallelogram, y plus 7 is equal to 20 or y is equal to 20 minus 7, that is 13. And x plus y is equal to 16 or x equal to 16 minus y, that is 16 minus 13, that is 3. So x equal to 3 and y is equal to 13. So the remaining questions we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching my video. Those who haven't subscribed, please like, share and subscribe, and also click on the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Bye.